Good afternoon, Denise DeLauder here. I'm going to show you how to make one of the options in this kit from Stampin' Up called Bunch of Thanks Kit. And so the kit comes with the envelopes and the accessories and the cardstock to make 6, 7, 8 different pocket cards that look like a bouquet of flowers. The end product, we'll slip this off, and then you have "so thank you" and "so very grateful" inside. These come pre-perforated, and so you'll have this already scored, and you just pop it out of the sheet of them, and we're going to fold the edges over. Use a bone folder to burnish that. So super simple. And then I'm going to take the kit comes with the dimensionals, the twine, and it comes with its own mini spot. It's Mossy Meadow, but I'm just going to show you with a larger pad of it. We're going to stamp this piece. This also comes in the kit in different sizes, but I like the rectangular one. So on this one, I am going to stamp the "so very grateful." And so the kit comes with this block in it, so you don't have to have your own block. It's a little narrow, so if you have your own, it might be advantageous for you. But so I put the 2 stamps that I wanted to use on the same block, just one on each side. And then it's easy to see through the block, so you can center it nicely on the cardstock. So there's the "so very grateful." So I'll put that off to the side. Like so. And then to adhere this "so very grateful" to this flap, clearly it's not going to fit completely on there. So I just want to put some dimensionals on the bottom of the flap. Like so. So that's pretty cute. And then I think I took 7 inches. We'll go 8 just to make sure. Lay that there. And then there's another piece that you pop out of the sheet of them that comes with it. And we're going to put that on the top flap so that it gives its own type of dimension. So I see that I have this teal pool party, so I'm just gonna have this so that it's more evenly, the colors are more evenly dispersed. And then I'm going to tie a bow. And there you have it. Pretty, right? Thank you.